Our soft shell blocker is kind of just what it sounds like. It's going to be anything of your garments that have the word soft shell in it. So in this case, it's going to be a jacket, or before we've done a soft shell vest. A soft shell transfer is going to be similar to your sub blocker transfer, meaning it's going to have a black backing. It's going to be pressed from 285 to 300, 10 seconds, peel hot or warm. So I have my soft shell jacket loaded. I am going to use a Teflon pillow. So we're going to sneak that in here on the left chest for where my transfer is going to go. And with it being a static liner and I have the pillow, I am going to use thermal tape to keep the transfer in place. Okay, pressing 285, 10 seconds, peeling hot. All right. All right, here is our finished soft shell jacket.